Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest family travel adventures. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing these amazing places with you. Welcome to a world where yoga is not just a practice, but a personalized journey. Whether you're a beginner seeking stress relief or an experienced yogi aiming to deepen your practice, personalized yoga retreats offer something unique for everyone. Personalized yoga retreats are redefining the way we experience yoga. These retreats tailor sessions to individual needs, catering to different levels of experience, specific health conditions, and personal goals. At the heart of these retreats is the personalized approach. Instructors take the time to understand your unique needs, whether it's stress relief, building flexibility, or strengthening your body. Every student is different. We start with an in-depth consultation to assess their physical and emotional state, and then we design a yoga practice that supports their specific journey. The benefits of personalized yoga retreats are profound. Not only do they address your specific needs, but they also offer a more meaningful connection between mind, body, and spirit. I came here to manage my stress, and the personalized sessions were exactly what I needed. I left feeling rejuvenated and more in tune with my body. The process begins with understanding your goals. Whether it's achieving better posture, relieving chronic pain, or simply finding inner peace, a custom yoga plan is designed to help you reach your objectives. These retreats are set in breathtaking locations, allowing you to disconnect from the chaos of everyday life and fully immerse yourself in the experience. We believe that yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that should be tailored to each individual's path. Personalized yoga retreats offer a transformative experience that goes beyond the mat. It's about finding balance, peace, and a deeper connection to yourself. Ready to embark on your personalized yoga journey? Find the retreat that aligns with your goals and discover the true power of yoga. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on wellness and travel. Don't forget to check out our affiliate links from Amazon, Expedia, and Viator for the best travel gear and tour booking. Happy traveling! Thanks for joining us on this eco-family adventure. Remember, the world is your playground. Explore it, cherish it, and leave it better than you found it. See you on our next journey.